Okay, this one is about flushing the oil furnace lines. It would be done normally during a service, although it could be done with a repair too. And this is for single line oil burners. You only have one pipe coming from the tank. The oil moves very, very slowly through the pipe. It only moves whatever the gallons per hour. Like if I had a 1 gallon per hour nozzle in the burner, then I would move 1 gallon per hour through the lines. Well, the lines tend to build up, small particles that get past the filter, kind of end up in low spots on the line, and sometimes they'll create a restriction. To keep that down and to keep any more possibilities from having a plugged nozzle, we will flush the gun line. Now, I've shown how this is done in earlier videos, but not with an operating furnace. And I kind of thought this would be good to add this as an operating burner. So we'll show you how we set that up. Okay, opening up the top by taking the transformer and lifting it up. I'm going to remove the nozzle, or the gun line. I'm not going to remove the whole line. I'm just going to loosen both ends and take this end off. Thumb screw off or thumb nut off. Okay, the gun's out. I'm going to remove the nozzle. Okay, now I've got the gun mounted without the nozzle in it, and I got it pointed away from the furnace. Okay, now I've set a container underneath this thing, and we're going to go ahead and light off the burner. Now it's going to safety out and shut down. It should safety out before I fill my container, at least I hope it does. But that's going to be my flush out. Now before I try to light this thing, I'm going to close this transformer back up, because if the CAD cell, that's right there, sees light before I try to light it off, it won't start. Okay, now we're going to start the burner. Okay, you can see it's kind of foamy looking and stuff like that. And it usually clears up a little bit as it runs. And what you're doing, you're running oil quite quickly through the line so that it clears out any crap that's still in the line. And it should safety out here. This thing's, I think, is about 45 seconds. There it goes. So it's safetied out. Your line is flushed. One thing I wanted to note, the reason I didn't just run this gun line in without putting this whole arrangement on here is I wanted to flush everything. If I can get everything flushed out, I'm always better off. So that's flushing out the gun assembly and lines.